Most folks think that paying for a big name brand like Lennox automatically buys them a bulletproof system that'll last forever, while others see the budget friendly options as just a get by unit. But after 17 years in the field and a background in Navy nuclear electrical, I've seen the guts of these machines, and the truth is often hidden in the cabinet design and the name on the factory door. You might be surprised to find out that the premium badge sometimes costs you more in maintenance traps than it saves you in efficiency. We're looking at two very different ways to approach heating and cooling your home. On one side, we have the Frigidaire FSH4BE, and on the other, the Lennox ML14KP1. Both are solid contenders in the ducted split heat pump world, but they are built with different philosophies when it comes to protecting your investment. Take a look at the skin of these units. Both the Frigidaire and the Lennox come with louvered steel panels. In the field, we love these because they actually protect the delicate aluminum fins on your outdoor coil from hail, stray rocks, or the neighbor's weed whacker. These louvered steel panels provide much better durability and long-term wear protection compared to a simple wire guard. Speaking of performance, let's talk about the HSPF2 rating. That's basically your miles per gallon for winter heating. Both the Frigidaire FSH4BE and the Lennox ML14KP1 are sitting at a 7.5 HSPF2. Both of these are single-stage machines, meaning they are either 100% on or 100% off. Now, here is what you are actually paying for. Lennox is the flagship brand of Lennox International. They pride themselves on being a dealer-only premium line, and you pay a premium for that infrastructure. Frigidaire, on the other hand, was formerly a Nordyne brand, which was later acquired by Nortec. It's a subsidiary brand that often uses reliable components, but without the massive flagship marketing budget. When you buy the Lennox, you're paying for the network. With the Frigidaire, you're mostly paying for the iron. For the equipment alone, you're looking at an average of $3,331 for the Frigidaire versus $6,564 for the Lennox. That's nearly double the cost before a technician even touches it. Even when you factor in installation, averaging $11,310 for Frigidaire and $11,623 for Lennox, the value gap is staring you in the face. You're paying significantly more for the Lennox name when the technical specs and physical coil protection are virtually identical to the Frigidaire. Before you make a call, remember that even the best system fails if it can't breathe. I tell my customers all the time, keep your coils clean and change those filters. A dirty coil on a $12,000 Lennox will die just as fast as one on a more affordable unit. The warranty battle is where Frigidaire really flexes. They offer a 10-year unit replacement warranty. That means if your compressor fails within that window, they don't just give you a new part. They give you a whole new outdoor unit. Lennox gives you 10 years on parts and the compressor, but no unit replacement. If that compressor slugs out on the Lennox, you're paying for the labor to cut the old one out and weld a new one in. Plus, the Frigidaire is manufactured in Mexico, while the Lennox is built right here in the USA. When the technical specs are dead heat, you have to look at the value and the protection. Both systems offer a 7.5 HSPF2 and louvered steel panels, but the Frigidaire FSH4BE comes in at a much lower equipment cost and offers a superior 10-year unit replacement warranty. The Lennox ML14KP1 is a solid machine, but you're paying a massive premium for the name without getting better efficiency or a better safety net. The Frigidaire is the smarter play for a homeowner who wants a well-protected, reliable build without the flagship tax. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.